Hi, and welcome to a UXPin tutorial. In this video, we'll cover how to use UXPin's data generator. First, let's start with your prototype. We understand the importance of giving your prototype the proper touch and feel. It's always better to use real data or mock data that looks real. By selecting an element and going to the top menu, you can choose the type of data you want to fill your element with. Let's fill this photo with an avatar. Now let's do the same thing but for the name. Really quick and easy, right? If you want to take it to the next level, align your layer names with the type of data that UXPin can generate for you. Next, you can select the entire element and go to the top menu and click on the option of Match by Layer Name. And just like that, the entire element will be filled with real data. Feel free to refresh the data if you prefer to switch to a different avatar or another set of data. Our data generator can easily fill all elements with data. To do that, simply click the entire group and use the same option of Match by Layer Name. Then all the elements are going to look fresh and real. But remember, you need to follow our naming guidelines. With the UXPin data generator, you can also use your own data files like JSON, CSV, or even Google Sheets. Now again, keep in mind that you need to follow our naming guidelines. Now select your file and UXPin will fill your prototype with your actual data.